We are happy to introduce to you our new device, the smart thermometer Relsib WT50. At present, the device can measure body temperature, temperature in the room, temperature of water when bathing a child, and temperature of milk formula when feeding a baby. Transmit the measured readings to a smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth at a distance of up to 50 meters and interact with a range of mobile applications developed by our team and automatically form summary reports. Let's consider these and other advantages in greater detail. The thermometer does not have a power switch. It is switched on automatically when slightly warmed. Just after switching on, the device starts transmitting the data via Bluetooth to your smartphone. The thermometer does not have a metal tip, meaning that it is hermetically sealed, easily cleaned, and is hypoallergenic. The probe of the thermometer is flat, making it very convenient for measuring in the axilla or the mouth. The thermometer measures temperatures from -20 to +70 degrees Celsius. Hence, you can use it for other purposes, not only as a medical device. The battery life. Even if you take temperatures continuously with a 1-second interval, the battery will last for an entire year. The device has a predictive function when the temperature is taken in the axilla. That means that you do not have to wait for the final temperature. As early as 40 seconds after the thermometer is placed, it will provide an estimated value which will appear on the smartphone display.
In order to use the capabilities of the thermometer to the maximum, we developed 3 mobile applications.
The first application is for measuring temperatures of young children. Obviously, you know how difficult it can be to take a child's temperature. They are uninterested, fidgety, and cannot wait for it to be over with. With our thermometer, this will be quite the opposite. The little octopus Thermometer will talk to your baby, show him or her its home, and tell them what to do if they have a high temperature. You will not have to urge your child to get into bed or take a pill. He will do this without coercion. We devoted the second application to our dear ladies, especially those who are expecting. With its help, the monitoring of basal temperature becomes much easier. The only thing you have to do is set the alarm on the application. The alarm will wake you up at the appropriate time, and as soon as the temperature is taken, the result will automatically be marked on the diagram. The measurement data can be sent to the doctor at any time from the application. You can also take your own notes in the application. It will notify you about menstruation as well as about time favorable for conception. Ultimately, the universal application allows for taking the body's temperature with a predictive function, measuring temperature in a range from -20 to +70 degrees Celsius, monitoring temperature in a recording diagram, setting the minimum and maximum values for signaling on the powering of the device, archiving this data and sending it by email. The application can operate simultaneously with 6 thermometers, and to prevent you from mixing them up, we provide colored markers.
One more feature of our device is that you can use it not only for medical purposes. Let's consider some typical situations.
Take, for example, a walk with your baby. The baby is in the stroller and you don't know whether he is cold or, on the contrary, hot and begun to sweat. Place the Relsib WT50 thermometer under the clothes near the feet and you will completely be able to control the situation, knowing that the baby feels good and will not wake up too soon from discomfort. Or in the nursery, place the thermometer next to the bed and you will always know the exact temperature in the nursery even if you are in another room. Before feeding, you will be able to check the temperature of food. Before bathing, you can easily measure the temperature of the water in the bath. Before leaving home, you can measure the temperature outside your window using the Relsib WT50 thermometer. Ensure that the canned goods and vegetables in your cellar are stored in optimal conditions. Our thermometer is indispensable for the control of temperature of medications which must be stored and transported in a strict temperature range, usually from +2 to +8 degrees Celsius. Place the thermometer on the shelf of the refrigerator near the medicines. If the temperature goes beyond the set limits, your smartphone will signal you immediately. If you are a researcher, using the Relsib WT50 thermometer, you can track the temperature of an object from time to time and send data to a remote computer. For example, you can investigate the precision of temperature maintenance in a room, for example, the functioning of a heating system. Our thermometer is optimal for a large range of applications, veterinary medicine, gardening, and so on.
And of course, the thermometer Relsib WT50 is an amazing present. It will broaden considerably the functionality of your smartphone. Is your friend's birthday soon? Does he have an iPhone? Do you not know what to present to him? Believe me, the thermometer Relsib WT50 will be the most wonderful present for him. And now I want to repeat my question. Do you need the thermometer Relsib WT50? And I am almost sure in your answer.
The Relsib WT50 thermometer is the device you will always want to take with you.